In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to map your keyboard shortcuts in Gmail. If you spend a lot of time in your inbox, setting up custom shortcuts can save you a ton of clicks and make your workflow feel faster and more comfortable. Start by opening Gmail in your browser. Look to the top right corner of the page for the familiar gear icon. Click that, and then choose. See All Settings to open the full settings dashboard. You'll notice multiple tabs running across the top. What you're looking for is the Keyboard Shortcuts section, which appears as its own tab when keyboard shortcuts are enabled on your account. If you don't see a dedicated Keyboard Shortcuts tab, that usually means shortcuts aren't enabled yet. Once they're on, the tab will appear, and that's where the remapping happens. Open the Keyboard Shortcuts tab, and you'll see a clean table, a list of Gmail actions in one column, and empty fields in the key column where you can assign the keys you want. Each action corresponds to something you already do in Gmail, like composing, replying, archiving, or moving through conversations. Click into the field next to an action and type the key you want to use for it. Keep things memorable, and try to choose keys that make sense for you, such as letters that hint at the action. If a field already has a key and you'd like to change it, simply delete the existing one and enter your preferred key. A couple of tips while you map things out. Aim for consistency and comfort. Group related actions with nearby keys so your hands don't have to travel far. Avoid assigning the same key to multiple actions and steer clear of keys you press accidentally, since shortcuts work across your inbox. If something feels awkward, change it now. This is your chance to make Gmail feel like it was built for your habits. Once you've assigned the keys you want, scroll to the very bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This is important. Your mappings won't apply unless you save. After saving, your custom shortcuts are active immediately, and Gmail will follow your new key choices for those actions. That's all there is to it. By taking a few minutes to open Settings, find the Keyboard Shortcuts tab, assign the keys that make sense to you, and save, you'll turn everyday tasks into quick keystrokes and make your inbox much more efficient.